Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd just do a fun little video on what your lipstick color says about your personality. I thought it might be fun to think a little bit more about the psychology behind the lipstick colors that you wear every single day. I just thought that would be interesting and I hope that you guys find it cool as well. So if you want to see what colors your lipstick says about you, what your lipstick color says about your personality, then please keep watching. Alright, if you're a girl who likes to rock brown lips, then you are most likely composed, you got your shit together, you know what's happening, you're a little bit nostalgic. My 90s chicks, where you at? Because this is a classic 90s color. We're bringing it back, baby. Okay, I don't see a name on this one, but the one I'm wearing on my lips right now is Rimmel London 48. Love this color. It's very 90s, very classic, deep brown. It's got a hint of berry in it, so it's not like too gray tone. The next lipstick that I recommend that I love, it's always sold out at Ulta. This is NYX Berlin. It is a beautiful brown color. It's very dry right now because I'm almost done with it. And then the last one I recommend is by Clinique. This is Spiced Apple. This is a brown color. See, I'm almost done with it. I love it that much. This is a brown color with a hint of orange in it. So a slightly different undertone, but equally as beautiful. And it's gonna look beautiful on you too. I recommend. So yeah, that's all I have to say on the brown colors. So when I think of a girl who wears red lipstick, I think they are bold, I think they are fearless, I think they are powerful, and they usually come off as if they're from a different decade in a way, right? Red lipstick to me just says woman, just classy, classic woman. It's just sexy, it's timeless, it's vintage, and there is just something about red lip that just draws people in. The reds that I recommend are NARS, Cruella, ooh, love that name. I used to be Cruella DeVille for Halloween. I think it was in 5th grade. I was Cruella DeVille for Halloween in 5th grade, and half of my face was nice, in really pretty sweetheart makeup, and the other half was just white and just crazy and with red lipstick, of course, but I love this color. So the other two reds I have are NYX Amsterdam and Kate Rimmel Rossetto lipstick, whatever. This is just a very, very deep red. This is almost too blue for me. Alright, if you're a gal who likes rocking pink lipstick, then you are bubbly, you are inviting, you are empathetic, and you're not afraid to spoil yourself, and whatever you're doing, you most likely do it with dedication and lots of joy. Pink is a happy color, and there's no way around it. It's just, you're a fun, inviting, happy person if you wear pink. These are the ones that I recommend. The one I'm wearing right now is by Givenchy, and this is Rose Dressing. I'd like this on a salad. And then the next one I recommend is by Chanel. This is Romantic. Oh, well, don't we have the Valentine's Day color that everyone should be wearing? Finally, a little bit of more affordable option. This is Candy by Rimmel. This is very light pink, very bubbly. This is, I don't personally like rocking this. I like to put it over top of a lip color that I'm already wearing because it's just a little bit too light for me. Pink lipsticks, bright, bubbly, and fun. On a Tuesday, if you're someone who likes to rock berry lips, then you are most likely the gal that everyone goes to for fashion advice. You are hip, you are modern, you are with it, girl. You are trendy, always on point. You are most likely assertive, and looking at my notes here. Okay, and you're not afraid to take risks and see what will happen. So where are my berry girls at? This is the color that I love to wear every single day. It makes me feel confident. It makes me feel like a boss when I'm wearing berry lipstick. I am currently wearing Rouge Coco by Chanel. This is a beautiful, very deep berry color. And you can build it up or thin it out if you want. You don't have to have it as dark. And this is my everyday berry lipstick that I wear every single day, obviously. This is, actually, it's called Brown Blush. So it's a mix of brown and a mix of blush, essentially, but it's really just a deep berry or mauve color. Another one I recommend is the NYX Budapest one. This is a true berry color, I would say. if you are a gal who loves to rock orange, you are a lover, not a fighter. You are experimental. You are not afraid to express yourselves. And you are also probably the glass half full type of a gal. The one that I'm wearing on my lips right now is NYX San Juan, and I love this color. At first, it's like electric. I mean, this is a bright coral orange, but like on, it's not so bad, right? And then the other color I recommend is Lancome Nectarine. This is a very more kind of reddish orange color, and it's kind of melty and kind of gross. If you want to feel a little fun, do something a little different outside your comfort zone, then I recommend you guys rock an orange lip. Alright, so last but not least, we've got our nude lip gals. If you're a girl that likes to rock nude lips, then you're probably very friendly, very approachable, and you are probably the girl that everyone likes to come to get advice from. I don't know, I just don't know if I like them on me yet. Just I feel naked with them on. But I do have a nude lipstick, and this is the only one that I really have, and this is by the brand Winky Lux, and this is the color Angel Food. It's what I have on right now, and I think I could rock this for a day. It's not that bad. It's like almost corally peachy undertones, which is, it's nice. I appreciate something that has a little bit more depth to it than just like a straight up nude. I don't want to be naked. Alright guys, that concludes this video. I hope that you learned a little bit more about what your lipstick color says about your personality. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Tag me in any of your favorite lipsticks that you're rocking for Valentine's Day in any of my social media listed at the end of this video and in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace.